Standard Maths, Chapter 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expression. Practice set 6.3. Factorize. So, this is the question. See, in previous practice set, same sums was there, only there was addition sign over here. यहाँ पे प्लस था, अभी माइनस का फॉर्मूला है. So, there will be a slight change. We used to write a plus b. Instead of that, we will write a minus b. a प्लस बी था तो वहाँ पे हम a माइनस बी लिखेंगे. पहले वाला फॉर्मूला प्लस था, अभी माइनस है. एंड हियर एवरीथिंग विल बी इन पॉजिटिव. यहाँ सभी पॉजिटिव में रहेगा. रादर देन दैट फॉर्मूला इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम. यहाँ पे a प्लस बी था प्लस वाले में, सो अभी a माइनस बी. And then a square plus b square plus ab. So in plus formula there was subtraction. So by using this formula we will solve these sums. So first sums, y cube minus 24. So y cube and 24 is cube of 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So by using formula we will write y minus 3 and then y minus 3 and then y square, like first one is a, so y square plus b, so b square plus a into b. Okay. So after finding the values, y minus 3, y square plus 3 3s are 9 plus 3 into y, 3y. So this is the answer. Second sums, x cube and then 64. 64 is cube of 4. So 4y the whole cube. So when we split x minus 4y, because formula says a minus b, then a square plus b square plus a into b, so x into 4y. So answer is x minus 4y, then x square, then 4 4s are 16, 16y square plus 4 into xy. Third sums, now 27m cube minus 260n cube. Now this 216 we have to factorize. So 216, so 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So see 27 और यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में भी 27 था. That means this 27 I can take common and it will 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here what I will do, I will take 27 common, m cube minus 8n, 8n this cube. Okay, so 27 into m, 27m cube, 27 into 8, 216n cube. Now to this also, ये जो 8 है, 8 to this also further I can show m cube minus 8 is cube of 2. So this is the actual question. So I have to split this. So that means 2 को ऐसे ही लेते हुए चलना है. So this is my a and this is my b. So m minus a minus b. Then a square plus b square plus a into b. So answer will be 2 m minus 2n, m square, 2 2s are 4n, 2mn. This is the answer. You have to put square. I forgot. Variable has its square. Okay, fourth sums. 125. 125 is cube of 5. So 5y the whole cube minus 1 we can show any number of time. 1 को कितने बार भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1 आएगा. So this is the question. So by using formula 5y minus 1, then a square, a minus b, then a square plus b square, then plus a into b. So 5y minus 1, 5 5s are 25, y square, 1, 5 1s are 5. Fifth sums. See 8p cube. So 8 is cube of 2. So 2p the whole cube. 27, 3. 3 upon p the whole cube. So then by using formula a minus b, and then a square plus b square plus a into b. Okay, so the final answer will be 2p minus 3p, minus 3 upon p. Here 2 2s are 4, p square, then 3 3s are 9 and p square, and here p and p will get cancelled, 2 3s are 6. So this is the answer. Sixth sums. 343 is cube of 7. So 7a the whole cube, and 512 is cube of 8. So 8b the whole cube. So then by using formula a minus b, then a square plus b square plus a into b. So 7a minus 8b, then 7 7s are 49, a square, 8 8s are 64, b square, 7 8s are 56, ab. This is the required answer. So solution, 7 sums. 64. 64 is cube of 4. So 4x the whole cube minus 729 is cube of 9. So 9y the whole cube. So now using formula a minus b, and then a square plus b square plus a into b. So 4x minus 9y, 4 4s are 16, x square plus 9 9s are 81, y square plus 4 9s are 36, xy. This is the required answer. 8 sums. 16a cube minus 128 upon b cube. So 128. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 6s are. Okay, see 16, and here is also 16. That means we can take 16 as a common, and this will be 8. So ये जो question है, it will be like this. 16 we will take common, and then inside a cube minus 16 8s are okay, upon b cube. So 16 into a, 16a cube, 16 into 8, 128 upon b cube. So this is the main question. So therefore 16, see now to this we can make 16 a cube, 8 we know is a cube of 2, 2b, the whole cube. So this we will split as a formula a minus b. So a minus b, then a square plus b square plus a into b. So final answer will be 16 a minus 2 upon b a square plus 2 2s are 4 upon b square plus 2 into a 2a upon b. So this is the required answer. Second subheading, simplify. So now see, here they have given two terms, but we will assume this as a and this as a b. So that means a cube minus b cube. So solution, so according to formula a minus b, so x plus y, this is my a minus this b. So a minus b. Then after this, what does the formula say? That a square. So that means x plus y, this is my a square plus b square. ये टर्म मेरा b है. And then a into b. Okay. So now further, when we solve all these brackets, now we have to open all these brackets. So x plus y will be as it is. Here there is subtraction. So minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So this is, अभी ये वाला ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे. So this is the formula a plus b the whole square. See, we know this formula a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So according to this formula we will write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then this also, ये भी same वैसे ही formula, only subtraction will come. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So formula says x square minus 2xy plus y square. And this is also a formula a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. So answer is a square minus b square. So here we have to write x square minus y square. Now further when we open bracket, और अगर आगे bracket open करेंगे तो we will get, see यहाँ पे x and x ये opposite side में cancel हो गया, and 1 plus 1 2y, this became 2y. Now we have to split this, x square plus 2xy plus y square, फिर ये वाला bracket open करेंगे. Sorry, here there is plus sign. So x square minus 2xy, प्लस है तो साइन में चेंजेस नहीं आएंगे. देन जब भी माइनस होता है तभी साइन में चेंजेस आते हैं. सो यार दिस एंड दिस विल गेट कैंसल बिकॉज दे आर इन ऑपोजिट साइन. दिस एंड दिस विल गेट कैंसल ऑपोजिट साइन. सो फाइनली व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, 2y then x square x square x square. So that means total 3x square 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 then this y square, only this y square is left. So we have to multiply this. 2 3s are 6, x square, then 2 1s are 2, y into y square, y cube. So this is the final answer. Second sums, see again this term is a and this term is b. So according to formula, a minus b, a minus b into a square. So a square, then b square, a square, b square, then a into b. So this is my a and this is my b. Okay, now further, see we have to open all brackets. So here 3a plus 5b, when we have minus sign changes, this positive become negative and this negative, minus into minus plus. So like this. Now further, this will be as a formula a square plus 2ab. So a square plus 2 into a into b, then b square. Okay, then plus ये भी split करना है. So a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, and then ये इसका क्या हो जाएगा, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. B square is what? 5b. Then square bracket. So now when we solve this, ये प्लस और ये माइनस सॉल्व हो जाएगा. 5 plus 5 10, वो कैंसिल हो गया. नाउ 3 3s are 9, 9a square, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30ab, 5 5s are 25, 25b square. Then plus, all will come same because why number, only here negative will come. So a square minus 30ab plus 25b square. See, you can check it out. 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, same it is. And then 3 3s are 9a square minus 5 5s are 25b square. Okay. So finally, when we open all this bracket, we get 9a square plus 30ab plus 25b square plus, because it is plus, there will be no changes in sign. Sign changes only when there is subtraction. जब माइनस साइन आता है ना, तब साइन चेंज होता है. Otherwise there is no changes in sign. Okay, so now we will see what get cancelled. So this and this opposite sign, and this and this opposite sign. So 10b bracket 10b, then 9 9 9 9 3s are 18, 18a square. 3 बार 9 को ऐड किए, एंड दिस प्लस 25 b square. So I think this have 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 9 27. Sorry, here 27 will come. So final answer we have to multiply. So 10 27s are 270. 10 27s are 270 a square b, then plus 10 into 25 250. There is no a, so b cube. So this is the final answer. Third sum, a plus b the whole cube minus a cube minus b cube. Now see, a plus b the whole cube. There is a formula. See, a plus b the whole cube. Previous year, a cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into a b square plus b cube. This is the formula we know for this. So we will substitute by this formula. इसकी जगह में वो formula लगाएंगे that ये a plus b the whole cube का formula a cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into a b square plus b cube. ये हो गया ये ब्रैकेट का फॉर्मूला एंड देन माइनस a cube as it is minus b cube as it is. So now what will happen? This and this will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled because they are opposite sign. So final answer will be only this 3 a square b plus 3 a b square. So this is the answer. Now fourth sums. Similarly we have to do as we did previous one. Solution p cube we will write as it is and this we will split in formula as we did this one. So p is a, so a cube plus 3 into a square into b is what 1, then 3 into a into b square, then b cube. So when we find all the value p cube plus 3 ones are 3 3p square plus 3 1 ones are 1 1 3s are 3p and then 1 ones are 1 into 1 1 कितने बार भी करो वही रहता है. So here only this and this will get cancelled. So final answer will be, see I did a little mistake over here. See there is a bracket and as I have always said whenever you have bracket sign get changes. So all this sign will become minus. ये सारे sign minus हो जाएंगे. Okay. So ये और ये cancel हो जाएगा. So what is left? We are left with minus 3p square minus 3p and minus 1. This is the answer. See always remember to take bracket. यहाँ पे question के पास bracket था so इसलिए minus sign multiply हुआ और सारे sign change हो गए. So this is the answer. Now the last sums. Fifth sums, 3xy minus 2ab the whole cube minus 3xy plus 2ab the whole cube. Now see here cube and here also cube. So we will take this one term as a and this as a b. So a cube minus b cube. So according to our formula, a cube minus b cube means a minus b. So this complete is my a. ये पूरा टर्म a है. Then minus ये पूरा टर्म b है. Okay. So a minus b. Then formula says a square. So this is my a. A square. Then b square. So 3xy plus 2ab b square and then a into b. So ये जो दो टर्म है into b. Okay. So this is splitting of the formula. Now further we have to solve. So here only bracket will open. So 3xy minus 2ab minus 3xy. See, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus 2ab. Then ये फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा a स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू a इंटू b, ओके, प्लस b स्क्वायर, ओके, एंड देन इसका भी फॉर्मूला स्प्लिट करेंगे. सो देयर इज़ नो प्लेस. इसका फॉर्मूला 3xy द होल स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे प्लस है, प्लस 2 इंटू ये टर्म a है इंटू b प्लस b स्क्वायर. सो ये एक टर्म को फॉर्मूला की तरह स्प्लिट किए एंड देन द लास्ट वन ये मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो ये a माइनस बी a प्लस बी, तो उसका कैसा होता है a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. ओके, सो ये जो पूरा इतना है उसका व्हेन वी सॉल्व आंसर हियर this and this is in opposite sign, so it will get cancelled and minus minus plus plus 4ab. so ये तो ब्रैकेट के बाहर का हुआ. अब ये so 3 3s are 9xy, then minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 पहला अल्फ़ाबेट ab and then xy, 2 2s are 4, 4ab a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर. यर ऑल्सो वेरिएबल्स के स्क्वायर रहेंगे, वेरिएबल्स के स्क्वायर लेते हुए चलना. सिंस देयर इज प्लस, यहाँ पे प्लस है तो वी कैन टेक, साइन में चेंजेस नहीं आएगा. दिस सेम विल कम बिकॉज वैल्यूज आर सेम. सो ओनली 9x स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर माइनस की जगह में प्लस बिकॉज दिस इज फुल प्लस, देन 12ab xy and then 4a square b square. Okay, and then further plus a 3 3s are 9 x square y square, 2 2s are 4 a square b square. Sorry, there is subtraction, so this will be minus. Now we have to see opposite sign. So opposite sign, this and this, this and this. These are the opposite sign. Now final answer, this minus 4ab will be as it is, then 9 plus 9 18 plus 9 27, 27 x square y square, then plus 4, so plus 4 a square b square. Now after multiplication, minus into plus minus, 27 into 4 108 ab alphabetical order and then x square y square, then minus into plus minus 4 4s are 16 a cube b cube. So this is the answer, okay, for the following sums.